Okay guys, welcome back to another brand new video. So in today's video we're going to be going through and we're going to be going through our virtual machine that we created in the last video, and we're going to be making it a little bit more fluent. So if you remember from the last video, I was having some issues with the actual thing not loading some things properly, like the keyboard wasn't working correctly or the mouse wasn't working correctly and whatnot. Now in this video today we're going to be fixing all of that. So I know that some of you guys might have the same problem and therefore we're going to fix it. So first thing you're going to want to do is load up your Kali Linux or whatever Linux you're using. Since Kali Linux is based off Debian, there are a couple of things you'll need to do first. This method is quite similar for most Linux operating systems anyways. So once it loads up, we'll go and we'll start fixing everything. Alright, so just input your username, which is root, and if you did the same as me, your password should be Tor. And it'll do this thing while it's not completely fixed and configured, and it should load up the home screen quite shortly. Okay, so the first thing you want to do when it's finished booting is you want to go to your Firefox, and when it loads I'll show you what we're going to do. So you're probably going to need internet connection for this, but you're going to go and click Kali Docs over here in the middle, and just wait a little bit for it to load. And you're going to want to scroll down a bit now, okay? You're going to be scrolling a little bit. So we're going to go to section number 5, which is using Kali Linux. And you're going to want to go Kali sources.list repositories like so. And we're just going to scroll down a little bit. Scroll down a little bit. And whereabouts is it now? I believe this is the one that we're going to be using. This one here. So you're just going to copy it. Right? So make sure you've got that one there. You're going to copy it. And we're going to have to minimize this in just a second. So yeah, minimize this one here, go into here, and you're going to type what I show you. So you're going to need to type the following, okay? And I'll put this into a notepad. So you want to type etc/sources.list, okay? Hit enter and it'll load up another screen like this. Alrighty, so once you're at this screen, what you want to do is you want to come down the bottom here and just put that in there like that, okay? And then once you're done there, you should be good to go. So where is my mouse? I can never find my mouse. So yeah, that should be it. You should be able to just come up here and click save now, and it should close once you've saved it, or you may need to close it yourself. And then you're going to go apt update, okay? And that'll put everything in there. So just wait a little bit for that to load. Might take a little while. So it seems like that one worked alright. And now you're going to go apt install Linux -headers $, and then UNAME, and then close the brackets. Sorry, I just need to move this here. And then, sorry, before you close the brackets, you need to put a -R in there, okay? Hit enter, and it's just going to do some stuff. So if you manage to have any issues with this, just like I have, what you're going to do is you're going to type clear, just clear it up so you can have a look at the nice fresh new screen. Type uname -R. Alright, and then you can see what we got in there. So then you type apt install Linux -headers minus, and then you do start, which is everything, and it'll start doing its stuff. Just press yes. You want it to do its thing, so let it start installing, and just be patient while it does its thing. If you need to pause the video for whatever reason, you can pause it whenever you need. Right, so once that's done, you should be looking similar to this. Okay. And while we're here, we should also go ahead and update our kernel. So if you bear with me one moment, I'll show you how to do that. We just need to go check some stuff. So as you can see, we're on kernel version 14.15.0 Kali2.amd64, and we need to update to 4.17.0 Kali3. Okay, AMD64. So what you will need to do is you need to type, and I'll just copy and paste this now because this is the latest one. So for you it might be a little bit different. So just keep that in mind. Find out which one it is and do the same. Now you can go and type clear again and just clear it all out. And you're going to go apt install, and then you're going to type Linux -image. Sorry, my spelling. And then you're going to have your version in here. So I'm just going to paste it like so. And then you should be able to hit enter. So I'll wait for you just for a moment to catch up. And then what we'll do is we'll go ahead. All right, let's go. So just let it do its thing. And it might take some time, and that's perfectly fine. So if you need to pause the video, feel free to pause it for whatever reason if you have to. And once you're done, we'll go ahead. So it's just going to do some stuff here. You can see it's progressing. It might take some time, but that's fine. Just be patient and wait. Okay, so now that's done, you can go ahead and reboot. So just type reboot like so, and let it take its time again. Maybe go grab a coffee or something while you wait. Sometimes it does take a while. And it's just going to start booting up now. So hit enter to go ahead. And as you can see, now we have full screen. So root, tor, and log in. And you can also see the message at the top of the screen saying that it supports integration. Beautiful. So it's already functioning a bit better. Seems like it might be a bit slower. I don't know, can't really tell. But there you go. Now you've got full screen with whatever you want. You can open something up and it'll look good. It'll go into your full screen mode. If it's a bit laggy, you can always give some more processing power to it. But as you can see, you can make it as big as you want. You can resize it, and the actual thing will go with however you want to do it. So that's pretty much it for today. That's showing you guys how to set up the VirtualBox guest editions. And now this might be hard for a lot of people, but it's pretty straightforward as well in the end of it. And you should also be able to do a lot more other things now as well if you need to. But that will be in a future video. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure you rate, comment, and stick around for more, and subscribe. Alright guys, I'll catch you next time. Peace.